Throughout this video, the design team at 4 Degree Engineering Solutions will present our company and concept design of Waders Watch development. 4Des push the boundaries of construction through sustainable, innovative designs that improve land quality and the lives of the affected communities. We are a limited liability, multidisciplinary partnership founded in January 2019 with 9 engineers from multiple engineering disciplines. The team is led by John James, the project manager, who is also responsible for business and marketing. Patty, Temi, Maddie and Alex are the lead technical engineers for civil, mechanical, structural and coastal disciplines who consistently collaborate and lead decision-making processes while ensuring compliance with all industry standard design guidance and regulations. The remaining team of Matt, Neil, Sam and Nicholas support the principal design engineers and between them take the lead for project financing, building information modelling and sustainable design. 4Des' inaugural project focuses on developing an area of land on the River Tor adjacent to the small village of Yelland in the stunning county of Devon. The local council projects an increase in the area's population, having a significant impact on the economy and housing needs. Although many areas of North Devon are considered areas of outstanding natural beauty, the local council have expressed concern about the lack of open spaces, in particular sports pitches and equipped play areas. Therefore, the development of Waders Watch, a project conceived by 4Des, will truly speak for the needs of the local community and wants of North Devon District Council. The site is currently a decommissioned coal-fired power plant which offers a 90-acre brownfield site, an unattractive eyesore for local users of the Southwest Coastal Path, the Tarka Trail and visitors of the River Tor. The solution, proposed by 4Des, follows the North Devon and Torridge local plan set for 2011 to 2031 and encompasses opportunities for economic development, infrastructure provisions, outdoor and indoor community facilities, homes, and the regeneration of land and existing structures. The location of the site on the estuary has influenced the incorporation of sailing and harbour facilities. The project will boost economic growth to the surrounding area while incorporating sustainable and eco-friendly design throughout construction, operation and reuse.
A floating marina will provide 152 enclosed berths accommodating 12-metre-long boats designed to house the variety of vessels in the club's fleet. The marina will be leased to and operated by the yacht club, with access restricted by the inclusion of a fob gate system. Through the use of floating pontoons and an access gangway, the marina will protrude into the river on the eastern side of the old cargo jetty, which will shelter the marina from significant wave action. A traffic light system, based on the tidal level, will indicate whether the access gangway is currently usable for disabled access. A slipway constructed in front of a 10,000 square metre dry boat storage area will allow vessels to be launched directly into the river's deep section. A boat lift will hoist vessels directly in and out of the marina with ease. The slipway will cross the southwest coastal pathway. However, pedestrian access across the path will only cease during times when a vessel is launched into or lifted out of the water. A boat repair building will be fitted with vessel repair equipment, offices, parts storage and most notably, a boat hoist lift. The development will also include the construction of a modern waterfront clubhouse, providing notable improvements to the facilities that the current clubhouse in Instow Village is lacking. The enclosed part of the structure will house changing rooms, toilets and showers on the ground floor. On the first floor, 2 large briefing rooms will be used for training and community engagement. The restaurant and bar area, with views over the marina, is extended out onto the raised veranda. The mezzanine floor provides offices and meeting rooms with views over the estuary to coordinate sailing races from. Large areas of the yacht club will be clad with glazed wall systems as well as large open verandas, drawing in vast amounts of natural light, creating an airy and spacious feel, encouraging visitors to the centre and in turn increasing the number of members at the yacht club. Along the eastern side of the development, a landscaped area will encourage local fauna and flora to thrive. Cobbled paths will enable residents and tourists to enjoy and appreciate the local wildlife and serene beauty North Devon has to offer. A sustainable urban drainage scheme is designed throughout the site to manage surface water runoff in a way which reduces the impact on the natural environment. The scheme makes use of the existing attenuation ponds to the east and west of the site and incorporates swales, rain gardens, rainwater harvesting and green roofs, improving quality of life for this community by making the development a more vibrant, visually attractive and sustainable development. A 3-storey wooden observation tower with 360-degree panoramic views over the natural gardens and at low tide, the mudflats of Isley Marsh, provide a vantage point for wildlife enthusiasts. The tower will likely become a focal point of the Southwest Coastal Path, attracting many walkers to enjoy the facility of Waders Watch development. An access ramp ensures that everyone is able to enjoy the tower, whilst its cantilevered construction and natural building materials guarantee that its aesthetics do not impact the surrounding natural beauty. To meet the target set by the North Devon and Torridge Local Plan 2011 to 2031, just over 250 new dwellings will be built on this site. Avocet Apartments will provide affordable accommodation for the existing and growing North Devon community. 5 apartment blocks rising 3 stories have been designed to accommodate 1- and 2-bedroom homes with estuary views. Woodcock Close is formed of 3-bedroom detached houses arranged in cul-de-sacs with gardens and private driveways. More affordable terraced houses complete Woodcock Close. Luxury open-plan homes sit on either side of the inland marina with direct access onto the boardwalk. The inland marina will create a tranquil, sheltered area at the location of the former water pits to provide private berths for the luxury houses. Built using sheet piles to maintain a model industrial aesthetic, each luxury house will have a wet floating berthing area with a pontoon accessed via a gangway located at the base of their back garden. Each berth is capable of berthing vessels up to 12 metres long and 6 metres wide. Access will be restricted via 2 sets of folding hydraulic meter gates. The gates will ensure sufficient water levels within the marina are maintained at all times for vessel and infrastructure flotation. Additionally, lights and navigation aids both in the channel and in the river, along with a clear line of sight created by the channel, will prevent collisions and congestion. Peregrine Plaza will comprise of a low-rise development providing a number of amenities and commercial spaces at the heart of Waders Watch. The steel frame allows a flexible and adaptable interior for the mixed-used space. Shops, restaurants and cafes will spill out onto the waterfront with roof terraces where people can enjoy views of the estuary. Peregrine Plaza will also house a community hall to be used for events and functions throughout the year. To attract a young workforce to the area, a collaborative social hackspace will encourage startups and small businesses alike to take advantage of the state-of-the-art office facilities. 2 large canopies will shelter the end of the green corridor, which runs the length of the site, welcoming pedestrians and cyclists from the site entrance to the waterfront. The green corridor is designed to work in conjunction with the development's sustainable urban drainage scheme to provide a pathway for surface water into neighbouring swales. Lined with trees and planted vegetation, the corridor will provide a welcoming route for pedestrians and cyclists from the nearby Tarka Trail to the heart of Waders Watch. Leading off the green corridor, a sports centre providing state-of-the-art facilities will be open to the wider North Devon community. 45-metre-long glulam arches have been designed to span an Olympic-sized swimming pool and support a sloped green roof. Large areas of glazing will draw in natural light, creating an inviting environment that will inspire the centre's users. Incorporated into the sustainable urban drainage scheme, the roof will blend into the green corridor and enhance biodiversity. Treatment rooms and fitness studios will occupy the back of the building, while above the wet and dry changing rooms, a large gym looks out over the viewing balcony on the swimming pool.
BREEAM has been used to assess the components of the development in relation to their sustainability and environmental achievements. All aspects of the development achieved a very good rating or higher. 4DES followed appropriate guidance and regulations throughout the design process, primarily Eurocodes, British Standards and ISO. The projected cost of Waders Watch development is £107 million, comprising of direct construction costs amounting to £91 million and indirect costs amounting to £16 million. The current landowners, local business owners, North Devon Yacht Club, local councils, bank, national investors, high street retailers and food chains have all been identified as potential investors. With a payback period estimated to be 4.5 years and an internal rate of return of 192%, Waders Watch is set to be very profitable for potential investors. This project is estimated to take a total of 3 years. Stages 1 and 2, feasibility and design, have already been completed by the team at 4DES. Stages 3 and 4, consisting of securing outline planning and funding, followed by full planning approval and consents, is scheduled to be achieved by the end of 2019. Stage 5, the construction phase of the project, has been broken down into 2 phases, site preparation and building, which are scheduled to take 22 months, allowing the final stages of site handover and post-project support to be completed by January 2020. The proposed development plan for Waders Watch has incorporated 4DES's company ethos throughout every stage of its design. From ideation to creation, the goal of attaining a sustainable, inclusive and modern development have been met and exceeded. The team at 4DES hope to continue to develop world-leading designs using Waders Watch development as an explosive statement furthering our entry to the industry.